everyone. I hope you all are okay at home. Today we are going to learn the subject EVS of class 5th. Chapter number 5. What is the name of the chapter? Let's play games. Now in this chapter we are going to learn about the games, what games we should play and what are the benefits of playing the games, what type of games we are playing, indoor games, outdoor games, and we should exercise also because it keeps our body fit and fine. So children, there are many topics that we are going to learn in this chapter, chapter number 5, that is let's play games. Now, you should also play the games at your home because by playing the games you will be very healthy and your mind will be very good. So children, now we will just read our chapter number 5, and we will just understand what the chapter wants to explain us. Okay children? Now for this you have to open your textbooks, the chapter number 5. Okay children? So here is your page number 40 in your textbooks of chapter number 5. Let's play games. Now in this chapter we are going to read the chapter and understand what the chapter wants to explain us. When we work all the time and do not relax, our mind becomes dull. Now what the very first line explains us that अगर हम पूरे दिन काम करते हैं और हम अगर रिलैक्स नहीं करते तो हमारा जो माइंड है वो कैसा हो जाएगा, बिल्कुल डल हो जाएगा. When we play games our mind relaxes. जब हम गेम्स खेलते हैं हमारा माइंड कैसा होता है, it feels relaxed. Playing games also has many other advantages. Now if you play a game there are many advantages also. First, playing games is a good exercise. Now what is playing games? It is a good exercise. It keeps our bones and muscles strong. वो हमारी बोन्स को और मसल्स को स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाती है. इट कीप्स आवर बॉडी इन एक्सीलेंट शेप. हाउ द बॉडी इज बीन इन अ एक्सीलेंट शेप. It makes us energetic and healthy. How it makes us energetic and healthy? Playing games develop our confidence. Now, if we play games, our confidence will be developed. We become skillful. We will have many skills. When we play by following the rules and regulations of the game, we become more disciplined in life. Now, if we are playing a game and you are playing the game with the rules and regulations of the game, then your life will become more disciplined. We channelize our mental and physical energy in more positive manner. Now what we do, we just channelize our mental and physical energy in the positive manner. We become fresh and active. We are able to do more work. अगर हम गेम्स खेलेंगे तो हम कैसा फील करेंगे, फ्रेश और एक्टिव, और उसके बाद में हम बहुत सारे काम भी कर सकते हैं, दूसरे जो भी काम होंगे. When we play games together without any discrimination, we develop confidence, team spirit and a feeling of cooperation and brotherhood. Now if you are playing a game, अगर आप गेम प्ले कर रहे हो बिना डिस्क्रिमिनेशन के, तो what you develop a confidence, team spirit, how to work in a team, and the cooperation and the brotherhood, how to be together. Now there are two types of games. They are outdoor games and the indoor games. Now first we have the outdoor games. We play games like cricket, hockey, tennis and basketball outside our house. अब कौन कौन से गेम्स हम घर के बाहर खेलते हैं? क्रिकेट, हॉकी, टेनिस, बास्केटबॉल. The games that are played in open ground, courts and stadiums are called outdoor games. जो भी गेम्स ओपन ग्राउंड में, कोर्ट्स में या फिर स्टेडियम में खेले जाते हैं उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? आउटडोर गेम्स. नेक्स्ट वी हैव इंडोर गेम्स. We play games like chess, snakes and ladder, कैरम एंड लूडो इनसाइड आवर हाउस. अब जो हम घर के अंदर गेम्स खेलते हैं वो कौन से हैं? चेस, स्नेक्स एंड लैडर, कैरम एंड लूडो. दीज आर दी इंडोर गेम्स. द गेम्स दैट आर प्लेड एट होम आर कॉल्ड इंडोर गेम्स. जो भी घर के अंदर खेले जाते हैं वो कौन से गेम्स होते हैं? इंडोर गेम्स. नाउ इंडिविजुअल गेम्स. गेम्स दैट आर प्लेड अलोन बाय वन सेल्फ आर कॉल्ड इंडिविजुअल गेम्स. अब जो एक अकेला इंसान खेलता है दे आर दी इंडिविजुअल गेम्स. स्विमिंग, जिम्नास्टिक, एथलेटिक्स, स्केटिंग, साइकिलिंग एंड गोल्फ आर सम इंडिविजुअल गेम्स वी प्ले. कौन कौन से इंडिविजुअल गेम्स है? स्विमिंग, जिम्नास्टिक, एथलेटिक्स, स्केटिंग, साइकिलिंग एंड गोल्फ. These are the games which are played by one person, that is individual person. Coming to the next page, page number 42, we have Games at school. Now, what are the games that we play at the school? PED stands for physical education. It includes exercise, games, and sports. Now, physical education, the short form of physical education is PED. It includes the exercise, games, and sports. We have 2 periods period in a week in our school timetable. जब हम स्कूल में पढ़ते हैं हमारे स्कूल टाइम टेबल में कितने पीरियड्स होते हैं इसके? 2 periods. During PED periods we play games in the school playground. अब हम इस पीरियड में क्या करते हैं? वी जस्ट प्ले गेम इन द प्लेग्राउंड. वी हैव अ बिग प्लेग्राउंड इन आवर स्कूल. हमारे स्कूल में बड़ा सा प्लेग्राउंड होता है. वी प्ले गेम्स देयर. वी प्ले गेम्स देयर. हम वहाँ पर गेम्स खेलते हैं. आवर स्कूल प्लेग्राउंड इज वेल मेंटेन. नाउ हाउ योर प्लेग्राउंड इज? इट इज अ वेल मेंटेन. वी प्ले कैरम एंड चेस इनसाइड व्हेन मेंटेन. We play carom and chess inside when it rains. Now, when there is rain in your school, where you play the carom and chess? Inside. Now, PED teacher issues sports equipment to students. Now, जो physical education के जो teacher होते हैं, they are giving the whatever the equipments they want to play. Most school kept sports equipments like football, hockey stick, bat, balls, stumps, nets, carom boards, and chess boards for students to play with in school. Sports equipment is kept in the storeroom. Now, where these equipments are kept? In the storeroom. You can see the picture. और schools में कौन कौन से instruments equipments होते हैं? Hockey sticks, bats, ball, nets, carom board, chess board, footballs, etc. Now, rules of games. Every time has its own set of rules and regulations. Every game has its own set of rules and regulation. Now, whatever the game you are playing, it has its own rules and regulations. We must follow the rules of the game while playing. जब हम खेलते हैं तो हमें सारे गेम्स के रूल्स और रेगुलेशंस याद रखने चाहिए. Rules help us to play the games in fair manner. Now, when we are having the rules, we are playing in a fair manner. हम कोई cheating नहीं करते हैं. The coach or the PED teacher help us to understand the rules. Now, whosoever the coach और जो आपका physical education teacher है वो आपको क्या समझाता है? Rules of the game. We may have arguments when somebody cheats during play. अगर हमारे साथ में कोई cheating करता है तो हम उससे argument करते हैं. When we play rough games, we get injured. अगर हम roughly play करते हैं games को तो हमें क्या होता है? Injury हो जाती है, लग जाती है. We must not quarrel or fight if someone breaks the rule. जब कोई break करता है rule को तो हमें कभी भी झगड़ा नहीं करना चाहिए. We should resolve the problem soon and start the game. We should just solve the problem and start the game again. Playing games according to the rules makes us disciplined. अगर हम games को रूल्स के साथ खेल रहे हैं तो हाउ वी आर गेटिंग डिसिप्लिन. इन राजस्थान चिल्ड्रन प्ले मैनी ट्रेडिशनल गेम्स. राजस्थान में बहुत से बच्चे ट्रेडिशनल गेम्स खेलते हैं. दैट इज लाइक संतोलिया एंड हॉपस्टॉच, दैट इज स्पोर्ट, गिल्ली डंडा, छुपा छुपी, पकड़म पकड़ी, कंचा एंड पोशंपा. These games are played very easily and do not require any equipment. ये सारे गेम्स इजीली खेल सकते हैं और इसमें कोई भी इक्विपमेंट्स की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है. कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट पेज, पेज नंबर 43. नाउ टीम गेम्स. अब कौन कौन से ऐसे गेम्स हैं जो हम टीम में खेलते हैं? मैनी गेम्स आर प्लेड इन ग्रुप्स. बहुत से ऐसे गेम्स हैं जो ग्रुप में खेले जाते हैं. गेम्स दैट आर प्लेड बिटवीन 2 टीम्स आर कॉल्ड टीम गेम्स. जो गेम्स 2 टीम के बीच में खेले जाते हैं दे आर कॉल्ड दी टीम गेम्स. द नंबर ऑफ प्लेयर्स इन ईच टीम वेरीज फ्रॉम गेम टू गेम. अब कौन सी गेम में कितने मेंबर्स होंगे? दे आर जस्ट वेरिंग फ्रॉम दी गेम टू गेम. वो गेम के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है. क्रिकेट, हॉकी, बास्केटबॉल, वॉलीबॉल एंड फुटबॉल आर टीम गेम्स. नाउ व्हाट आर द टीम गेम्स? दैट इज हॉकी, क्रिकेट, बास्केटबॉल, वॉलीबॉल एंड फुटबॉल. Coming to the next, we have the team spirit. Now, what is the team spirit? In sports, team spirit is understood as the spirit that makes the players want their team to succeed. Now, what is the team spirit? It is just that they want that the players of their team, they just win the match. Players cooperate and coordinate while playing as a team. Now, what the players do? They just cooperate with the other players or coordinate when they are playing. They are not interested in showing their individual performance and talent. Now, while they are playing in a team, they are not just doing that, they are showing their individual performance, that what they can do, but what they are showing, They are showing the teamwork. They are not showing their own performance or the talent they have, but what the whole team has to do, they are just showing that. Team is the only thing that matters. What matters in the team spirit? The only team, what the team has been doing or what the team is doing. Next we have live matches. Now what are the live matches? Nowadays we enjoy live matches of games like cricket, football and hockey, played between different states or different countries. Now what are the live matches? They are the games that are being played between the two states, that are the cricket, football, hockey and many more. Next, these games are telecast by different television channels. Now who are telecasting these games? By the different television channels. Coming to the next, on the page number 44, we have yoga. Now what is yoga? These days people become more aware of health. Therefore yoga has become very popular. Now today people are getting very aware of their health. They should be fit and fine. So they are doing yoga at their homes also. Yoga is a practice that helps in the development of mental, physical, intellectual, spirit and social health. Now what the yoga help us to do? It develops the mental, physical, intellectual, spiritual and social health of a person. Yoga is an art that connects our body, mind and soul and make us strong and peaceful. Now what the yoga does? It just connects our body, mind and soul and it keeps us strong and peaceful. Practicing yoga has the following benefits. Now what are the benefits of yoga? It helps us remain healthy and fit so we can do all our work efficiently. It just makes us healthy and fit so that we can do many work. Okay. It makes us active so that we can complete our work quickly and accurately. Now what it helps us? It just helps us to do our work quickly and accurately, because by doing the yoga we are just feeling active. It maintains flexibility of our body muscles. Our muscles are getting flexible. We get inner peace by practicing yoga. Now what we are getting? The inner peace, man ki shanti, by doing the yoga. It helps us to fight against stress and makes us feel relaxed. Now what it helps us? When we are stressed, जब हम टेंशन में होते हैं, if we do yoga, we will feel relaxed. Coming to the next page, page number 45. Here, Yogasan. Yogasan is a type of exercise in which we move our body in various positions. Now what is Yogasan? It is the type of exercise in which we move our body in various positions. It helps us become more fit and flexible, improves our concentration and relaxes our body. Now what it helps us? It helps us to become more fit and flexible, and it improves the concentration and it also relaxes our mind. Look at the following basic yogasanas. Try to practice some of the yogasanas as per the instructions and supervision of your teacher. Now these are some yogasanas that you have to practice at your home in the presence of your parents, and in school in the presence of your teacher. We feel very happy and relaxed after doing yogasana after the morning prayer in the assembly period. Now when you are doing yoga, you feel very relaxed, and when we do yoga in the morning prayer after the assembly period, we sometimes do yogasanas during our physical education period. और हम कब करते हैं योगासन? In the physical education period also. Now children, coming to the next page, that is 46. International Yoga Day. We originated in India. No, sorry, yoga originated in India. Now where the yoga is originated? In India. Due to the efforts of the government of India, the United Nations declared 21st June as the International Yoga Day to be celebrated all over the world. Now, who have done the efforts? The government of India. That UN, that is United Nations, has declared which day? 21st June as the International Day of Yoga, and it is celebrated all over the world. Nowadays many people from different foreign countries have started learning yoga in our country. Now people from different foreign countries, they are just started and learning the yoga in our country. After learning yoga in India, they practice and teach others in their own countries. Now when these people are learning the yoga in our country India, they are just making others to do practice in their own countries. Now Maharishi Patanjali is considered as the father of modern yoga. Now, Maharishi Patanjali, he is considered the father of modern yoga. According to him, Astanya Yoga is a system of yoga consisting of the following 8 practices. Now, according to him, what the yoga consists? It consists of 8 practices. That is Yama, moral codes, Niyama, self-rule, Asana, posture, Pranayam, breath control, Pratyahara, it is sense control, Dharana, it is concentration, Dhyana, meditation, and Samadhi. These are the 8 practices which he consists, that is consists of system yoga. Okay, children. Now, meditation. Meditation is the act of remaining in a silent and calm state of mind for a period of time to allow our mind to have peaceful thoughts. Now, what is meditation? We have to just remain quiet and calm for some time so that our mind can work peacefully and thought many things. It is often used by people to clear negative thoughts, reduce stress, and relax the mind. Now, why people do meditation? To just clear the negative thoughts and to reduce the stress and to relax their mind. Meditation is very important for the overall development of the student because अब meditation क्यों important है for the student? It reduces stress. To reduce the stress, it helps to focus better so that student can focus better. It helps to relax the body. It relaxes our body also. It helps develop a positive approach towards life. What it helps to make a positive approach towards our life. It makes the student happier and more confident. And what is the last thing that it do? It just make a student happy and more confident. Next we have equal opportunities for girls and boys. Now, what are the equal opportunities for the girls and the boys? That is, in our school, boys and girls together are made to practice in all the games and physical exercises. Each student is given equal opportunity to participate in different games. Now, what happens in our school? Boys and girls, they are just practicing and participating in all the games in our school and the physical exercise also. They are given the equal opportunities so that they can participate in different games and they can also play those games. National team. A child who excels in a game at the school level, when provided proper training, essential support and encouragement from the teachers, reaches a level wherein he or she represents the country. Now, when the child is playing at the school level, जब कोई बच्चा school level पे कोई game खेलता है, he just won that level. Then, if we provide him proper training, the support, the encouragement, if we are supporting, the teacher is supporting him, he will reach the level and he will just represent our country. National level क्या होता है? When the team is just representing a nation. He or she becomes a national player and plays for the national team. और अगर उससे सारा support मिलेगा, encouragement मिलेगा, then he will become the national player and he will play for the national teams. A national team consists of players from different parts of the country. अब national team में कहाँ से players होते हैं? From the different parts of the country. They play as a team. Now, how they play? As a team. When our national team wins a tournament, the whole country celebrates its victory. Now, if the national team it wins a tournament, अगर वो कोई मैच जीतते हैं, कोई टूर्नामेंट जीतते हैं, then the whole country, पूरी country क्या celebrate करती है? उनकी victory. The team effort is appreciated and the players are honored. Now, what is done? The team effort, जो भी team ने efforts किए हैं, उनको appreciate किया जाता है and the players are given the gifts, the honor they are given, the respect. True sportsmen have a reputation for fair play and good sportsmanship. Now, what the true sportsmen have? The reputation and the fair play, for fair play and good sportsmanship. Now, for what he has the reputation? The fair play. Without cheating, he has just played very well. They have personal qualities such as patience, honesty, tolerance, generosity, politeness, and capacity to work hard. Now, what the personal qualities they have? That is the patience, honesty, tolerance, generosity, politeness, and capacity to work hard. They also have a positive attitude towards sports and life. Now, what they have? They have the positive attitude towards whom? Towards the sports and the life. We should also develop these qualities and become true sports person. Now we should also have these qualities, or we should develop these qualities in ourselves, and we should also become a good sports person. Now coming to the next page, that is 48. Okay children. Now captain of the team. Ravi is the captain of the football team of our class. Now Ravi is what? He is the captain of a football team. He is a good captain. Now what is he? He is a good captain. Ravi always gave responsibilities and clear directions. Now what he gives? The responsibilities to other people and the clear direction. He shows direction to the children. He is fair, focused and encouraging. Now what kind of person he is? He is fair, he is focused and encouraging. Under the leadership, our football team showed true team spirit. Now under his leadership, what the team shows? The true team spirit. Nikita is the captain of the basketball team of our class. Now Nikita is the captain of which team? Of the basketball team. She always encourages her teammates to develop and improve their playing skills. Now what she do? She just encourage the players or the teammates of her team so that they should develop and improve their playing skills. The captain is the leader of his or her team. Now who is the captain? It is the leader of his or her own team. Success in a game depends on a lot on the role the captain plays in the games. Now on what the success depends? It depends on the role the captain plays in the game. Playtime is the best time of the day. What is the playtime? It is the best time of the day. We especially enjoy playing games in the neighborhood park. Now what we enjoy when we play in the neighborhood park? We enjoy very much. Sometimes we make new friends while playing in the park. When one of our friends plays well, we cheer for him or her. Now while we are playing in the park, we just make new friends, and when they are playing very well, we just cheer up that you can do better. While playing, we learn to cooperate, share and work together. Now when we are playing, what we learn? To cooperate, to share and work together. Playing together helps develop team spirit. Now what it develops? It develops the team spirit. So children, this was our chapter number 5. Let's play games. We have just read till page number 48, captain of the team. Now you have to read the chapter at your home and you have to understand what the chapter wants to explain you. Okay children? Thank you.